Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got these super easy beachy waves. They're heatless and I think they're really cute for summer. Obviously it is the season for beach waves. This was actually my first time trying this tutorial. I found it on an IGTV video on Instagram, so I'll have the girl's profile linked down below in my description box. I think her name is Tara. Like I said, this was my first time trying it and I filmed the entire process, so I honestly didn't think that they were going to turn out as nice as they did. I'm really pleasantly surprised. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll have that link down below in the description box as well. Also, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave me any other recommendations for like heatless hairstyles that you'd like to see me try. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so it's now like 11:30 p.m. I'm getting ready to hopefully go to sleep soon, and I'm gonna do these heatless curls, or I guess heatless waves, and I'm just gonna split my hair in half. It doesn't need to be perfect, and then I'm just going to give it a quick comb. I'm like squinting because I'm tired and I don't have my glasses on, but now my hair is all combed through, and when I do beach waves I typically like to do it on like damp-ish hair. In the Instagram tutorial that I watched, she did it on like freshly washed hair. Obviously I didn't just get out of the shower, so I'm going to be using this spray bottle that's full of water. Spray my hair a little bit just to get it a little bit damp. At this point, depending on your hair type and what you like to do, you can go ahead and add like mousse to your hair or like gel or whatever it is that you'd like to add. I'm going to be adding some sea salt spray tomorrow morning when I take these out, but if you want to do that at this point, you can do whatever you want, like whatever makes your hair hold curl better. And I'm also going to be using a little bit of argan oil just to help prevent frizz and keep them looking nice and shiny tomorrow. So I'm using this one from the Blue Beautifly. This was gifted to me a while ago, so thank you to Blue Beautifly for sending this to me. Any argan oil is fine. I do really like this one though. I also have a discount code with Blue Beautifly, so that'll be in the description box if you want to use it. So I'm just using like a really tiny drop, and I'm gonna apply it throughout my hair. Essentially what you're gonna be doing is creating a rope braid on each side of your head, and it's really easy. If you guys watched my heatless curls tutorial with the rope tie, you're basically doing the exact same thing but without the rope tie. I'm just gonna take a section of hair about this big and split it in half and twist them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small section of hair from the back and add it to this piece. And I'm also going to grab a small section from the front and add it to the front piece. And then twist again. And you're just going to repeat that process throughout your entire hair. So add a piece there. Add a piece here. Obviously, the tighter you do the braid, the tighter the curls are going to be, or the waves are going to be. So grabbing a section there, adding a section to the front piece, and twisting back. I also don't like to do the first few twists really tight because it kind of gets rid of all the volume in your hair, and it's really hard to get that volume back. So I like to keep this part a little bit looser, but then as I go down throughout the braid, I will tighten it up. And then this part I'm going to do a lot more tightly because I really need it to stay, and you're just going to continue the twist all the way down until you reach the end. So once you reach the end, this is kind of like the tricky part, because once you tie it off it will loosen a little bit, and that's another reason why I do these really tight. In the video I watched, she actually just held this one in her mouth while she did the second half of her hair and then tied them in the back together. I'm not going to do it that way because if I tie these together in the back, they will literally go like almost back down to my tailbone, and while I'm sleeping I know that they're gonna get ruined because I'll be rolling around on them and stuff. So I'm going to do this other side and then tie them both like on top of my head. But until then I am going to tie it off with a little hair tie. These are like those tiny little scrunchy ones. They're very soft, so they're not going to leave any weird kinks in my hair, and they're also not going to damage my ends at all. You can use whatever hair ties you want though. Scrunchies, regular hair ties, those little elastic ones, whatever you want. And then as you see, once you like tie it, it does loosen it, but before I tie it up I'm gonna twist them around to keep them nice and tight again. But for now I'm gonna just leave it like that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm gonna not let go of this one though, and I'm gonna just keep it twisted so you guys can see, like, when you keep it twisted compared to like not twisted, it's a difference. Bring it up and around my head, and then you can use a bobby pin if you want. For now, I'm just gonna use a clip like this because I need to go find some bobby pins. This one's already fallen out a little bit though, so I'm just going to make sure that I can twist it up again nicely. And I'm gonna try to pin the bobby pin like just above where the hair tie is, so it doesn't leave any weird like kinks in the like straight part of the end. So you should be looking pretty cute once you have your braids done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed, probably watch Skins or something, and then I will be back tomorrow morning to show you what these look like. I woke up not too long ago, I put some makeup on, got dressed, and now it's time to take these out and hopefully they don't look ridiculous, or else I'm gonna be wearing my hair in a bun today. So, and start unraveling from the bottom. Bless you. Oh, it actually turned out so pretty. Oh my god, I'm like shocked. Wow, I'm so impressed with these. I did not think that they would work out, to be honest. So my favorite beach spray that I've ever tried is this one from Beach Cosmetics, or Mellow Out Hair I think they're now called, but it looks like this. They're the same brand that I get my favorite detangler from that I always talk about, but unfortunately their shop has not been active recently. I don't know if or when this will come back. So any beach spray you have is totally fine. You can even make your own. For example, this one only has water, sea salt, aloe vera, argan oil, jojoba oil, and a few essential oils for scent. So you can totally copy the ingredients of something like this and make it yourself at home. That's what I used to do like throughout high school when I couldn't find a good sea salt spray. And I haven't used this in a bit, so I'm not going to put too much just because I'm not really sure. So this is what it looks like from the back. I think waves like this would look so cute in like a big tall ponytail too, but ponytails hurt my head a lot, so I'm not going to do that. These are the results. I'm so pleasantly surprised and happy with how they turned out. I honestly thought I was gonna take them out and they were gonna look whack and I was gonna have to delete this footage. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it fun to watch and you found it helpful. If you guys actually try out this wave method, let me know in the comments if it worked for you. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.